Hi, I'm Maxim from PowerUser, and in this video I'm gonna show you how easily connect your data between Excel and PowerPoint and save hours by updating your reports automatically. By using the Excel-PowerPoint link from PowerUser, updating a 60 pages report will take only one click. To start, let's see how you can link a chart in PowerPoint with an Excel source. First, you need to select in Excel a chart, copy and paste it in PowerPoint. Here you can see a link button suggested by PowerUser. Just press it. It will then connect the chart in PowerPoint with the Excel source. What's interesting here is that you don't create a static picture of a chart, but a linked chart object which shapes and figures will change based on the values in the Excel source. It's pretty much the same process for the tables. You just need to select one in Excel, copy and paste it in PowerPoint, just press again the link button, and there you go. With PowerUser, you can also link text, which is quite convenient if you want to automate some comments in your report. For that, you just need to right-click where in PowerPoint you want to insert a variable text, let's say here, and select the source in Excel. Note that you can hide the underline that you see here by clicking this button right here. With this feature, you will be able to insert dynamic comments or titles in your presentations without having to copy and paste each data manually from Excel. Now that the links are established between Excel and PowerPoint, if values change in Excel, you just need to select the object that needs an update in PowerPoint and click this button. This way, you will save time for updating quantitative presentations like financial reports or sales dashboards. If you have multiple links in your presentation, I invite you to use the link manager that you can access by clicking on an object with a link right here with this button, or with this other button right here. Once you click on this button, you will see a new pane that lists all the links between Excel and PowerPoint by slide. You can update the links individually with these buttons or all at once with this big one. You can see the different types of links, text, ranges, charts. You can see the different Excel sources right here. Even access the Excel source folder. See when it was last updated and by whom. You can even break the links individually if you want to remove the ability to update the links again. And you can break all the links all at once with this big button. If you want to move or rename a file source associated to a link and update the link, it's very simple. First, you need to rename, for instance, the file and click Update. Here you will see an error message sent by PowerUser saying that you need to open the Excel source file and click Update again. That's what we are going to do right now. Once it's done, you just have to get back to PowerPoint and click Update. And now the links are being reestablished. This feature makes the links between Excel and PowerPoint very robust. If you share a presentation including PowerUser links with someone that does not have the add-in but has access to the source file, well, the PowerUser links will be changed into Microsoft Office basic links, but this person will still be able to edit and read the links by right-clicking on the object and click Update Link. These Microsoft Office basic links will have some limitations, especially in terms of reliability, but the good news is that PowerUser links remain editable for everyone. As you can see, this functionality is very powerful for making and updating reports efficiently. You can automate entire reports with literally one click. You can save hours with every update because you don't have to copy, paste, reformat, and reposition manually, and you can reduce manual errors easily. It's a huge game changer.